All right, so we're doing the first little build vlog, I guess, for the FZ6 for this season. This is going to be a little bit interesting, and as you can tell by the title of this video, we're going to be doing this all with Amazon parts because with the pandemic, especially in Canada, I know the US is pretty much free to do whatever they want at this point, so lucky you guys. We're pretty stuck with what we can actually get our hands on right now and where we can go to actually buy stuff. So I just wanted to do something that you know, you can sit on your arse and get stuff delivered to you and throw it on your bike. So I set a budget of about $100 just to see what I could get for like a maximum of stuff that I actually needed to change on my bike rather than random crap that still works. So we're gonna go over what we're replacing today in the video. I've actually already gone ahead and installed one of them, which I will show you after I show the three things that I bought. And we're gonna start with the more universal thing, obviously number one, and that is a clutch cable. My clutch cable on my bike is super stiff, and the inside is like not lubed or anything properly anymore, and it's just a pain in the ass, which has to do with the last thing that I will show you that we have already put on the bike. But next is this guy right here. So my exhaust, as you have probably heard in my other videos, is really loud, and that's because this is literally just muffler deleted. So I went ahead and I bought this like literally like lowercase y pipe looking thing, and this is gonna go in the back and just separate it so that we can go back to the factory double exit exhaust that this bike originally came with, but with an actual exhaust piece and not something ghetto that I've made with my crappy Harbor Freight welder. So there's that. And then the third thing, as you can tell back here, I've got a really ugly like custom made tail tidy that I made that looks like absolute dog crap. So I went ahead and I was looking for tail tidies, and I was gonna get one off of eBay, but the eBay ones are all universal. And then the night that I ordered everything else, I looked one more time and this actually came up. And this is, I don't know if you can tell, it's got like the FZ6 logo in the back of it. And this is like actually like cut to fit where the original exhaust fender or whatever you want to call it is. Like, I guess this is a fender eliminator or like a tail tidy or whatever you want to call it. Like, I'm not a huge motorcycle guy, so I don't like really know what you want to call it, but we'll just call it a tail tidy for now. So we got that. And then I will move you around the front to see the thing we already put on, because I was keener. And that would be new levers. Yes, we have new levers on the bike, or levers, or whatever the hell you want to. And it's super sweet because they match like the accenting end knobs for my mirrors, which is cool, which I'm also probably going to flip around so they're on the bottom. So we might do that as well. So yeah, and the reason that's why I got the clutch cable, because we originally tried to fix it because my clutch cable was really tight. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to put new levers on it and adjust it, and it's still so tight. Like, I don't know if you can see like all the crap like on the clutch line there, but yeah, it ain't it anymore, so we're gonna replace that as well. But we're gonna do the fun stuff first, because I've actually got one of my buddies coming over to help me do the clutch cable, because I have never done one before and I don't really know how to adjust any of it. So we're gonna wait for him to do that. So I think we're gonna start with probably just doing the exhaust, because it'll be harder to do the exhaust with the new tail tidy on. So we'll start by taking the old fender off and squeezing the new exhaust in there. So just get it. So the thing with this exhaust is I 100% do not expect this to change the sound of anything whatsoever. I'm just kind of doing this so that it's no longer coming out underneath my ass and it doesn't sound as loud to me while I'm on the bike, but we'll see. Biggest thing I'm concerned about is this actually fitting this exhaust, because I think there were 2 reviews for it. One person gave it a 5-star and one person gave it a 3. The person that gave it a 3 in the photos, it showed that it didn't really fit like center, so we'll see. Like this part was only like $22, so I don't really care if it doesn't fit properly, because at the end of the day, like I can just cut it and weld it and make it fit. But as long as I have like a general like pretty close idea of how it's gonna fit, then that works. And 1 bolt and that's out. So I'll zoom out for a second here. I'm not really sure if it's supposed to go like this way or if it's supposed to flip and go like this way, but I think it's like this, because this is how the stock exhaust came off, and it's like that, and that's like pretty center. So we'll fire it on like that and see if that fits. I kind of highly doubt it. I'm just gonna have to feed it in through here because it's a little long. Huh, it's pretty center. That's good. That's a good sign. Oh damn, that's like actually like really center. Holy crap, Amazon. You with your $20 exhaust parts. That's mint. Sheesh. I'm happy with that. Hold on, let me get this bolted up. All right, so that is on there now. You can't really tell based off of like just from here. It's a little cockeyed, but just like in the rotation department. But I'm gonna finalize that when I get tips for it. But damn, for $20, it's not bad. Like that's about as straight as it's gonna get. That's mint. That's sweet. Yeah, honestly, $20 on Amazon. If you got an FZ6, that's a pretty decent pipe. If you just want to do like a muffler delete and then want to add your own tips, like I would recommend that. So let's fire it up and see how that sounds. Like I'm not expecting it to sound any different, but you never know. So now the only thing I'm really concerned about with this is if the clamp down in here isn't strong enough to deal with the vibrations, and then it might just like rotate. So we'll see. I help if it was neutral. Doesn't look like it's leaking, so that's mint. Yeah, so let's do the tail tidy now. So we're just digging through the tail tidy box, and look at this absolutely sad excuse. This absolutely sad excuse for a license plate LED. Like, bro, what the hell? All right, so after ripping the side of my bike apart, I have discovered how to wire this up, and look what works. It's not very bright, but I mean, it should get the job done if I can even get it at the correct angle for it to be in front of the license plate, but we'll see. So that's mint. Now I gotta figure out a permanent wiring solution because those wires were like the size of fishing line, and I have to hook them up to these butt connectors. So I gotta see if I've got some of those, but we should try to be able to make it all right. And then I have to figure out how I'm gonna wire it up through here without it getting melted by the exhaust. So that's mint. So the license plate light is wired up, so I'm just gonna tuck it all and make it not look so ghetto, so. All right, so that's the tail tidy on. So it's got the little LED boy in there, and then I just gotta put the license plate on, but that looks pretty good. It's a nice like powder coated black, and then I just kind of like wrapped the cable or the wiring for the light and then just zap strapped it in. I'm probably gonna put black zap straps on there because the white just like sticks out a little bit too bad. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put the license plate on, but that's not really an important process, so we're gonna just move on to fixing the clutch cable, and then we'll flip the mirrors around and see how this thing looks.
You see that?
Yeah.
Anyways, there's a clip right there that I had to fold up and then probably pop this out if it'll let me.
Got it.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, like look at how mangled the old one is. Look at how oily that is. And like the boot cover is like fucked up. So. Oh, I see. It's this one, right? Yeah.
Oh no, you got this.
What's it?
Oh, it's got a hinge.
Yeah, it's water. For sure.
Oh, is it that? Okay.
Pull the whole thing out. So pull this through here.
Like, if only they'd make it simple to
Literally. Like
easier.
this?
Yeah,
Oh,
there we
go.
fucking go.
Man.
Fuck yeah.
See how mangled
at
it
that.
is? Look at that. Look how mangled this is.
Almost looks like, yeah, your cable was kind of.
Yeah, the cable's like all bent and everything too. It's not even straight anymore. And the inside sleeve is all messed up. So, she's junk. Okay, so this went down through like that, right?
Damn it.
Okay, it's guided, so now just set it up however you need it.
Okay, wait. Can you pull it for me, please? Where are you trying to get it out of here?
Right here, yeah. Lift this.
You might want to zip tie it here though, hey?
Yeah. Oh, I need more slack.
Uh-oh.
Like a lot more slack. Sorry.
How's that?
Good.
Easier?
Yeah, it's like, it springs back so much faster now though, but that was like the biggest problem.
How's let's say you wanted to pop the clutch, can you just do it quickly? Because I know the old one was, if it was me riding, I like it at that position because then you don't have to fight it to press it in, right?
Yeah.
Are they metric or imperial?
Metric.
What? Yeah, 5.
There. Oh, you got it out.
How's it feel? Clutch.
It's like fucking way better. We'll
Nice.
see. Yeah, it was bound to happen.
Yeah. So loud. How'd that go?
Feels like brand new.
Nice. It's a lot easier.
Dude, it's so light when the bike's like going. It's like you just like click, click.
Nice.
Yeah, that's nice.
Well,
The mirrors are dog shit.
next thing to swap out.
Yeah.
Or they're not. You didn't put them on anyways, so.
It's just you gotta make them tight because it's just like they fucking just like.
Yeah.